Good morning, guys. It is Sunday the 4th, I believe. Yeah, the 4th of January, and it is the third day in my hotel room. I've officially decided to do the rear seals myself. I was quoted $700 to get them done tomorrow by a shop, which I don't think is bad, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I called O'Reilly's store down the road, about 1.5 miles, and they have the seals. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go buy those. I have everything to really work on it. I'm gonna buy some brake clean on there, silicone, and that should be all I need to get this done. I was gonna leave my trailer here, but I'm not a big fan of these dudes just hanging around my truck and trailer. Check this out. He's literally like leaning against my trailer right now. I'm gonna go deal with that real quick. So that's my plan. Let's go get that dealt with and then go down to the hardware store.
What's it called?
Help you guys?
Is your monster?
Huh?
Is your monster?
Uh-huh.
Nice truck.
Thanks.
Not bad, bro. You doing something right?
Okay, so I think I'll be able to be just fine with where this O'Reilly's at with my trailer, because it looks like it's gonna be in a big old parking lot. I'm gonna park like this. I don't even care. Check this out. I don't even care. I don't even care. Okay. Let's go get this part. Okay. Alright. We got everything we needed at O'Reilly's, but the diff fluid, so now we're at AutoZone. Trying to hurry and get this done because church has already started and I want to watch. So just get the fluid and go.
It's a good problem to have. So we're gonna work.
All right, so church is going.
Other than that, we're gonna pray for our missionaries of the
I got everything. Just figured I'd tell you the total cost. I bought a bunch of extra stuff, so this is definitely something that not like what it's going to cost everybody if you have to do your rear axle seals.
Father, we thank you for the missions field. Thank you those that are so devoted to
So
the field and they give their lives to
for the oil seal, for the seals themselves, they were $45 a pop.
in their mission towards
So $90.
we thank you for their
It's the only ones they had in
outreach.
stock.
Thank you for
I bought some high temp grease, brake clean, and then some gloves. I bought a funnel. Don't know why, it just came in the little bundle. Funnel, shop towels, and a drain pan to catch all the oil that's gonna pour out of the seals, pour out of the hub.
Stand together this morning. We're gonna sing our last hymn. If you're able to stand with me, if you'll stand, we're gonna sing
Good song.
357. I see the blood.
And then I bought a dead blow hammer. So the total for O'Reilly's was $152. If you have a lot of the other stuff and you just have to buy the seals, it's gonna be $90. And then AutoZone, I bought had to go and get the just turn it down real quick so you can hear me talking. And in AutoZone, I bought the obviously the gear oil. That's what I had to go and get, and they were $19 a pop, so $38. And then, like I said, I bought extra stuff. I bought a wheel cover, steering wheel cover, and then I bought a rolling work seat because I left my work seat at home, and this one's really light. I wasn't gonna buy it, but I picked it up and I was like, okay, I'll just throw that in the back of the truck or somewhere, maybe even up here. It's really light, so it's really cool. And then some the Armor All wipes to clean the truck. So that was a total of $100. So in total, $250 versus $700. Didn't have to be that. It could have been an easy 100 and what is that, 90 plus 38, so 90 plus 40 is 100 and what, 30 bucks. It could have been, but I bought extra stuff. Yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna watch church, so when I see you guys, I'll be working on the truck. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this side first. That way the sun's still on me, and then we'll cross over. By the time this is all done, the sun will be on that side. I got the wheel off, and I don't have a wire brush, which is unfortunate because I would love to get all of that off. I'm gonna brake clean the crap out of these because these are brand new. These only have like 20,000 miles on them, so I'm definitely gonna clean them up the best I can. So let's go ahead and get these off and go from there. Look at all that gear oil. All up, and then my brand new brakes, parking brakes, my pads. So we're gonna brake clean the crap out of that. And this, look at this. Whew, buddy. Go ahead and get the orange snap ring out. That bad boy comes out. That's what the snap ring is holding in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 turns. Alright guys, there's my wheel axle seal that I'm going to be replacing. You can see how bad it's been leaking. It's pretty bad. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get this guy off. What you basically want to do is just flathead it under there and pry it out. Work your way around it. I'm not gonna have a really good angle to show you guys this. I'm gonna try my best, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be, and I'll just show you what happens after I take it off. And there it is. the new part. We said 11 turns, right? Rest that for the other side.